3 days spent in nature, unplugged from the outside world, following the call of nature, like the wind as she blows and swirls. Happy to leave behind the city lights, entering a realm of rolling hills, rugged rocks and ancient relics, a sign of relief as the mind stills. Descending the depths of forgotten caves, embracing the elements of the wild, dancing on sand, stone and sea, spirit let loose, just like a child. Standing at the foot of waterfalls, diving deep into her icy waters, singing songs to the ripples and flows. May she continue to heal mothers, sisters, and daughters. An ode to nature.